What is hydropolitics in international water law? Imagine a river flowing across borders, connecting nations and communities. Now picture the complex dance of negotiations, disputes, and agreements that surround this shared water. That's what hydropolitics is all about. It's the way countries and other groups manage and influence how water resources are used and shared across borders. When water flows from one country into another, it becomes a source of both cooperation and conflict. Hydropolitics studies how political power, interests, and relationships shape these interactions. In international water law, hydropolitics plays a key role. Countries must decide how to divide water fairly and responsibly. They negotiate rights and responsibilities based on legal principles like equitable and reasonable use. This means each country's needs are considered, but no one should cause harm to others through their water use. Countries also have to notify neighbors about planned projects that might affect shared water bodies. These rules help prevent conflicts and promote cooperation. Many times, water disputes happen because upstream countries want to use more water for their needs, while downstream countries worry about shortages. Hydropolitics looks at how these tensions can be managed through treaties and agreements. It also considers how more powerful countries might dominate water resources, a situation called hydro-hegemony. These countries might control water flow or infrastructure to influence others, which can lead to unfair advantages. Beyond governments, other actors like local communities, non-governmental organizations, and international organizations are now involved in hydropolitics. They help shape policies and push for fair management. Integrated water resources management is a strategy that encourages countries to work together across sectors and borders. It aims for sustainable use of water, but sometimes power imbalances make cooperation difficult. Legal frameworks like the United Nations Watercourses Convention provide guidelines for countries to share water peacefully. They promote fairness and cooperation, helping prevent disputes from escalating. Understanding hydropolitics is important because water is vital for life, development, and stability. When scientists study water availability and flow, they also need to consider the political context that influences how water is shared and managed. This helps create policies that support peace, sustainability, and fair access for all countries sharing these precious resources.